Hey guys, it's Amanda and it's another 2 minutes with Posh Home, and today we're going to talk about tiles placement. There are a few methods that you can lay your tiles, and these are the 3 examples. This is a common method you'll see with the edge of the tiles sticking out. Because of the edges of the tiles are basically raw, it is easily chipped, especially if you're using low quality tiles. So, during renovation, we tape in corner beads on the edges to protect the tiles from being damaged before we hand over the complete projects. This tiling method is budget friendly and it is most suitable for outdoor areas where less maintenance is required. Then we have the bird's mouth or miter joint. It is basically a 45-degree angle tile cut method. It creates a clean and sleek architectural finish to the tile corners or joints between walls and ceilings. This method creates a minimal profile that allows your tile to take over the center stage without the distraction of a trim. This design is only suitable for low activity areas such as the edge of the walls, or if you're using a strong quality material such as Decton marble for the countertop. We also have metal trimming. Metal trimming takes the aesthetics to your tiles to the next level. They add a certain elegance to the finished look, and you often see them in modern luxury designs. And because of its solid structure, it is suitable for high activity areas. We often use this for stairs and wall features. And that is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more educational videos like this, let us know in the comment section down below. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!